Hey guys, this is Amr here, and I wanted to shoot a quick video. I had a discussion with someone about free knowledge versus paid courses, and I want to give my 2 cents about this topic actually. He believes in free knowledge, that courses should not be paid for, or books or information. This information should be free and everyone should have the access to this information. And I do agree with that. Information should be free. However, when someone collects this information, spend effort to collect this information, to dissect this information, to find a way to teach it in an easy, step-by-step way, and yeah, like make it easy, practical, collect all the labs, all the all the tools, all the products, all the exercises to make you learn this skill step by step, and actually either record it or go live by himself, teach this content or support you through mentorship or whatever the way. This is something he should get a credit for that. Why? Because if this guy doesn't get credit for that, he wouldn't do this. And there will be lots of people who don't do that, and will end up that we don't have information that's easy to learn from. Information should be free, but the teaching should not be free. That's my belief. It can be free, somebody wants to teach it for free, and I agree with that. And I like also to have some free content from time to time, but the idea of knowledge should be 100% free, this is will not get a motivation for anybody to actually produce that content. That's what I believe. And I like all the initiatives of giving something for free, like Security Tube when it started. I have also a friend of mine, he's called Ibrahim Higazi, and he's providing a web application hacking course, and it's for free in Arabic. And that's really great initiatives. But I want to get your opinion, guys. Like, comment below and tell me what do you think about the idea of between free knowledge, paid courses, and how do you believe in it. See you in the next video and waiting for your comments. Bye bye.